The ultimate checklist for road trip essentials. Road trips are an exciting way to explore destinations like Arizona, Utah, Oregon, and California. However, forgetting essential items can make the journey uncomfortable. That's why we've created the ultimate checklist for road trip essentials to ensure a smooth and comfy adventure. Remember to bring a headlamp or flashlight for emergencies or nighttime bathroom trips. Black Diamond offers high-quality headlamps. Also, carry hand sanitizer and a paper map in case you find yourself in areas without a signal. A first aid kit is crucial for addressing minor injuries or stomach issues from bad food. You can keep it stocked with refills from REI. Additionally, duct tape can be a lifesaver for unexpected repairs or fixing holes in your tent. A cooler is indispensable for keeping your food fresh. I love using mine on camping trips, road trips, and even as a carry-on for flights. Pair it with a good thermos, like those from Stanley, to keep your coffee hot. Don't forget a warm blanket, especially if you and your travel companion have different temperature preferences. Comfortable headphones, like Sony's noise-canceling ones, are also great for some personal time during the trip. Comfy clothing and camping gear are must-haves for outdoor enthusiasts. I often wear my hiking clothes for road trips, including leggings, a sports bra, a breathable shirt, and a fleece sweater. Bring your camping gear for an enhanced outdoor experience. For navigation and communication, a car charger, portable charger, and Garmin inReach are essential. The Garmin inReach allows you to send texts and SOS signals, ensuring safety even in remote areas. Finally, pack healthy snacks, reusable water bottles, and items like chapstick and electrolytes to stay hydrated and comfortable. Downloading music, audiobooks, or podcasts can make long hours on the road enjoyable. Enjoy your road trip, and don't forget to check out our other travel guides for more inspiration.